Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I'm rather excited today to share with you this box of goodies that was sent to me by EasyWhim Arts and Crafts. Now they do many different diamond paintings, but EasyWhim also do a diamond painting club. So you can sign up. There's a few different options and a few different price ranges of stuff, but you can sign up for kits that are purely diamond painting or that are diamond painting with another little bit of another piece of a craft. There's loads and loads of different varieties, and as I say, there's price point staggers. I did do one of their kits for about 3 months. I think I did it 3 clear months. Picking a theme, and I also picked like a surprise me, so it wasn't necessarily going to be a theme I was hugely interested in, but I also wanted to show what other types of diamond paintings they did. So search my channel for EasyWhim and you'll see those 3 kits that I got. The only reason I stopped really was I have so many diamond paintings at the moment in my stash. But if you do like, you know, maybe you're beginning to start diamond painting, or maybe you do have a load of stuff in your stash, but you like that surprise each month, then do check them out. I will pop, actually it's an affiliate link, I will pop down below. So I do get a little percentage if you purchase, but it doesn't cost you any more. So do bear that in mind. But I'm rather excited to see what they've sent. Oh, look. Look. So I did open the diamond painting, or I did borrow the diamond painting for a video I needed to do, but I didn't go rooting through the box. So the diamond painting, the only difference is this actually came plastic wrapped when it came. It does come with a funnel. I just borrowed it out because I needed a double-sided tape painting that I hadn't opened yet to flatten it out. So let me show you this image though. So this has 35 colours. It's a 40 by 30. Look at that. Look at that tree. Does have a little crease there. That is purely my fault. The painting did not come with that in. That is because I flattened it and then rolled it up again. So that is in no way EasyWhim. But it's a gorgeous tree design. It is a round. I just had to check the diamonds to be sure. But it is 35 colours. They come with the number. Then it comes with the code, which is the code on the diamond painting. In fact, let me just put that down so I can show you properly what it comes with. So it comes with the code. Then it comes with the DMC number, and then it comes with the quantity of diamonds. And the diamonds do come in a bag. So they do come in bags. 35 different colours. Look at those. That is such a nice variety of colours. And they do come labelled up. So bag 1 has code 166. And then the bags are filled by weight, but it does tell you how many diamonds you need on the canvas. So 163, which there definitely is in that bag. And of course, dependent on the bag, will depend on how many you need. But if I fish out my tape measure, if I go just underneath canvas edge to canvas edge, this one is just short of 40 centimetres. By 30 centimetres, so it is a true sizing, with it being a 30 by 40. And those symbols are so clear. You see, they are, let me get the light shining in at them actually, but they are so clear. They do use white symbols on black as well as black on white. So i.e. the light colours, the symbol will be in black, the dark colours, the symbol will be in white. But yeah, that is a really nice image. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, we have a toolkit. rather posh toolkit. So we've got metal tweezers, we've got wax, we've got the bigger white boat, and we've got a pink pen with a squishy. Oh, I've not seen that colour squishy before. It's like a pinky squishy. I like. So that is one item in the box. Let's go with this one that I can see. So this looks like, oh, it's a diamond painting lamp. Let's have a look how this looks. I'm going from the bottom just because it was partly open by the bottom anyway. Comes with diamonds. Ooh. So it's got number 1, and then it's got number 2, and then it's got number 3. So you layer it up. You see, 1, 2, 3. It has a block, and then it comes with a USB. It is a micro USB. I do have a plug here. I was like that. Do I have a plug? Do I not? I do have a plug that will take a USB. You just unplug my battery that's charging for a short time. Oh, so that's lit up already. Does that turn it off? Well, that button is doing something. It's got like a sequence. I'm staring at lights at the moment. Okay, let's see if I can get it so that you guys, oh, look at that. Let's see if we can get all 3 in when we've still got plastic coating on them. So can you see how they light up at the bottom? Let me turn my lights off. You ready? You see? Oh, look. And the angle will of course look different once it's got diamonds on, and when you're looking at it at home you can get it flashing. Stationary. Oh, I like that one. That one sort of glows between them all. Flicker, flicker. It's like Christmas lights, isn't it? You keep pressing them until you get the one you like. Ooh. Oh, me likes. Okay, I need to stop messing. I'm going to turn my lights back on, so bear in mind while the camera adjusts, and I'm going to turn it off. It hasn't got diamonds on it yet, of course, but you do get diamonds to coat the front part of it. And for that one, it's quite simply 3 colours: purple, yellow and silver. And they go on there. Does it tell you which one's which? No, I guess you can decide. You can decide which one is which, purple, yellow or silver. Just stick to the same coloured dots and then put your number 2 and then put your number 3. And there is actually, I'm not sure if you can see, but there is actually 3 rows of lights in there, which is why when we did some of the effects, it only shone up through the 2nd piece of acrylic rather than the 3rd, for etc. So by following 1, 2, 3, even though that's not really got a pattern on it, and that's got more of a pattern on it, that's what gives you the effect by going through the 1, 2, 3. I like. Now, I did forget, it actually comes with a piece of paper here. Oh, so for the diamond painting, we do get an inventory sheet, which is always good for kitting up. And it does give you instructions for diamond painting as well. Now, I know when I did get the kit boxes, so when I did get their club boxes, it does come with a letter that explains what is in your kit club box. So do bear that in mind. Oh, that doesn't go in there. They go in there. So do bear in mind a kit club one will come with details, or you can buy items separate from them as well. Okay, I'm just going to pop those ones in the box because I don't want to lose them. and I'll pop the actual item itself away later. So we've got a diamond painting, we've got a diamond painting light off the canvas. Oh, it takes batteries as well. So you can pop 3 batteries in it if you prefer that to mains. And then, oh, so this is the non-diamond painting item. Oh, looks like I'm going to have fun with this. This is a wooden puzzle. Let me get in it. I like a good puzzle. I do like a good puzzle. Especially around Christmas time. I don't know what it is. Look at this. So it comes in an organza bag. Oh, very nice. So you do also get, is that a template or is that just a picture? Let's have a look. Is this tied up? This is, it's got a tie in it. It's not a knot, it's just a tie. Oh, it is one of those ones, I think. Yeah, one of the ones that comes with little animals and stuff in it. It might be a true to size. If I hold that over there, it's looking very much like it could be. And it looks like it's one of those that then does have pieces. So that's got quite a bit of, that looks like it goes around here somewhere. Maybe near these red dots. So yeah, it does look like this is a sort of true to size if you really want the help. Though I'm probably more likely to just try and give it a go on my own. I like the complicated. Trying to work out if that's an animal or not. Oh, some of these are just the shapes. Just look at the shapes of some of these. They're just so different. But in turn, the edges will help you fit in another edge. And we've got some really thin ones. Have we got any other funky characters in there? Oh, that looks like a cockerel. Looks like we've got a cockerel. If I turn it over, you might be able to see it a little bit more. So it looks like we've got a cockerel and a horse. Sometimes I have to turn them over to see. Oh, it looks like we have a cat. So that one looks like a cat. If I turn it over, can you see the cat? So we have a cat. This looks like it could be maybe like, is it a Gryffindor? Maybe, or maybe I'm just trying to see something in it that's not there. Oh, we got a duck. Whack, whack. So we've got a duck in there. Oh, there might be more. I don't know if I can see. Oh, there's the butterfly that goes in the middle of that piece that fits in there. And then we have also, oh, we have a fish. Oh, there is quite a few actually. If you turn them over, you see them better. So we've got a fox and a fish, oh, and an owl. So there's quite a few different shapes. And if you actually turn them over, some of them, so like a flower, you can actually see engravings to help you see what animal it is. So that one actually looks like a house on something. And it has got like the house sort of look on that side. And then there are some that have that sort of little squiggly line in that I actually don't know if that's supposed to be something or not. Yeah, I mean, some of these shapes are so weird you could make them be anything. That could be a cupcake if you wanted it to be. But I think there are definitely a few animals in there that are clear as day animals. I think I've got most of them, but maybe not. Anyway, I'll let you know when I actually do it, because I'm sure I will find some more. But that is fun. Yeah, I'm going to have great fun with that. So that is my item in this box that is not diamond painting related. As I say, there are kits that are different elements. So I think the kit I got last time had maybe 2 I think it had, it's been a while, it's been a couple of years, but I think it had like 2 diamond paintings, an item that wasn't diamond painting, so like another craft, and then I think it had an off the canvas diamond painting item as well, so that was sort of the mix that I got. But yeah, there are a few different options. There are some that are just purely diamond paintings as well, but I'm very happy with that box. And then we have another one. This is another off the canvas item, and this is a cushion cover. So we have a diamond painting cushion cover. We do get a toolkit with boat wax pens, etc. It does have DIY diamond pillowcase, and it's special diamonds. So, ooh, all in baggies as well. Quite a few nice different ones there as well. So we've got all those diamonds, greens and yellows and reds, and then we get all these special ones as well. Big huge pink ones, gold, silver, purple, yellow and red. So absolutely loads of diamonds there to make yourself a nice bright pillowcase, all crammed into a lovely little box. Me likes. So yeah, this is a selection of items that they've shown me to share with you. I will pop, a link down below. Even if any of these catch your eye and you want to purchase them separately, there will be that option. Or I'm pretty sure most of them will be available separately. But also have a look out at the craft club. I really enjoyed the few months that I did, and especially if you're new to diamond painting, get that little surprise arriving at your door each month. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.